If there is one thing I hear often from my patients, especially in today's always on world, it would be, Doctor, I'm exhausted, but I can't sleep. Hi, I'm Dr. Swati. I work as an Ayurvedic doctor at Purely Yours. Let me put an end to your apprehensions. It's not just in your head. Your body wants to rest, your mind wants peace. But when your nervous system is on constant alert, sleep becomes something you chase, not something you drift into. That's why Purely Yours has created the Deep Sleep Spot Pack. Not to knock you out, but to gently guide your body back to balance. This isn't about sedatives, it's about syncing with your body's natural rhythms, using time-honored Ayurvedic methods safely, gently and holistically. Let's walk through how this works. At the core of this pack, we have sleep fuel capsules. Most sleep supplements rely on melatonin, but over time, melatonin can become habit-forming or leave you feeling groggy. Sleep fuel takes a different path. It nourishes your nervous system from within, helping ease mental fatigue, quiet anxious thoughts, and promote deep rest. Without melatonin, caffeine, or any habit-forming ingredient, you wake up feeling refreshed, not sedated. It's also designed to support long-term cognitive wellness, helping the mind slow down without shutting down. Then we have Sleep Elixir Tea. Evening rituals matter, and this one is gentle, melatonin-free, and deeply comforting. Crafted with chamomile, a globally loved herb for its natural calming effects. This caffeine-free brew prepares the body to wind down. It gently slows the racing mind, soothes the belly, and promotes a light, cozy state of calm before bed. Then, to soothe the body and still the mind, we have Shirbala Tel. Here's what many forget. Sleep is not just a mind game. It's a nervous system process. Shirbala Tel is a deeply nourishing Ayurvedic oil traditionally used to soothe overactive nerves, pain, and inflammation, especially for people struggling with neurological tension, pinched nerves, or restless legs at night. For best results, warm a small amount and massage it into the soles of your feet before bed. This simple ritual can activate grounding energy and release tension stored in the body. Finally, we have Anutel. Anutel, when administered nasally, just 2 drops after brushing, helps balance the mind and senses. It grounds, cools, and supports clarity, easing mental restlessness and worry. Used consistently, this oil nurtures a sense of emotional stability, supports a clear breathing, and encourages the peace, making it easier to let go and rest. With the Deep Sleep Spot Pack, you're not forcing sleep, you are inviting it.